Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Google account access from website. First, log in to your Gmail account. If you're already signed in, you will see your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. Now, go to the Security tab on the left side. Scroll down until you see Third-party apps with account access. Click on Manage Third-party access. Here, you will see a list of websites and apps that have access to your Google account. Find the one you want to remove and click on it. Then, select Remove Access and confirm your choice. Keep in mind that removing access will prevent that website or app from using your Google account. However, any data you shared with the website may still exist. If you want to delete that data, visit the website directly and check its privacy settings. That's it. You have successfully removed your Google account access from the website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.